Good morning, gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, it means so much if you guys hit that subscribe button. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday, but as you can tell by the title, today is a what I eat in a day healthy edition. I am currently 20 pounds down. I thought I would share with you guys everything that I've been eating from meals to snacks in order to lose those 20 pounds. So I hope this video is useful and just maybe gives you some meal ideas. These are just all really quick. It's very realistic and just everything that I've been doing. I will also link my fitness playlist and health playlist in the description box if you want to see more videos like this or just more videos on weight loss and fitness and health. But every single morning, what I always have been doing lately is having water. I have a few glasses of water before I put anything else in my body or any other liquid in particular. Before, when I woke up, I used to just go straight to having usually a coffee in the morning, and that was like the first thing I would have. But I've been making an effort to wake up in the morning and just fill up my water and have a couple to a few glasses of water before I have any other thing, whether that's my tea or a coffee. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead, grab a glass of water and get the morning started. Breakfast is done. I just have this skinny naan flatbread and I just put some guac. I put an egg on each slice and just a little bit of sriracha sauce for some spice. I also did add some dried onions. I usually sometimes even put just fresh onions, but I don't have any. So when I don't have any, I always use that dried onion. Your girl loves onions. And this is gonna be my breakfast. I'm gonna share with you also my go-to snack I've been making that's been helping with my weight loss, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go ahead, finish that, and I'll catch you guys once I am making that snack. For snack, I am making some chia seed pudding, and I wanted to make it right after breakfast so it sits in the fridge for a bit because it does have to sit there. So I thought I would make it right away so I can have it soon for a snack. All I use is just some unsweetened almond milk. Of course, we got the star of the show, the chia seeds, and you can really add whatever you want into it. I just add a drizzle of honey usually, and then I am going to just be adding some fruit as well into the chia seed pudding. This is what it looks like now. I'm gonna go ahead and cover the top and throw it into the fridge for a little bit to settle. It is gonna turn into a pudding consistency, and I like to mix it halfway. I also like to add my fruit more when it's like settled and has more of a thicker consistency, but I did add only a cup of almond milk and 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. You can add 3 to 4. I prefer 3, but they say usually it's 4 tablespoons for 1 cup. So it really just depends, and I did put a little bit of honey into this. The chia seeds tend to settle on the bottom right now, so that's why halfway in the fridge, I like to mix it. It won't be settled anymore on the bottom. So like I said, I'm gonna go wrap this up and just throw it in the fridge to chill. The chia seed pudding has been one of my go-to healthy snacks that have helped me with my weight loss. It has really great protein, fiber. It really gets things moving along. And it's just a great snack to have that is healthy and filling as well. You can even add little chocolate chips into it if you want to make it more like a dessert. It's really up to you, but lately I've just been adding fruit, or I've been just having it plain with just honey, and I love it that way. And I'm gonna eat that later on today as my midday snack. I just went ahead and took it out of the fridge. It's been sitting for about over an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. I went ahead and just mixed the chia pudding up halfway. It is almost ready. I was going to add my fruit, but I decided I'm gonna add that maybe actually at the end once it is done. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead now, change and work out. And once I'm done working out, I'm gonna share with you my lunch, and then I'm probably gonna have that chia pudding not long after as my snack. Quick update, I just finished working out. I changed and refreshed myself again, put back my earrings. I'm super hungry now. It is currently lunchtime. So as you guys just saw, I just took a salad out of my fridge for lunch. I've been having salads with a bunch of veggies in it, chickpeas even for extra protein, and I've been putting some source of meat or eggs for more protein. But today I put in some healthy homemade meatballs as kind of like my protein source. Of course, for my dressing, I am going to grab my olive oil that I have left and my balsamic vinaigrette. Mix this together in the salad. That is going to be lunch. In my salad today, I just have romaine lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, red peppers, chickpeas, and like I said, the homemade meatballs. Catch you guys up once I'm having my snack. Lunch is now done. This is how my chia seed pudding turned out. So as you could tell, it definitely got a lot thicker. If you guys want it more thick, I recommend adding 4 tablespoons of chia seeds in for 1 cup of almond milk. But I went ahead and just put some fruit in. I have some dragon fruit in here, mango, pineapples. So I just threw some of the frozen fruit. It was a little de-thawed, so that is why the pink from the dragon fruit made chia seed pudding look super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this as my snack and catch you guys once I am prepping dinner. I wanted to get a start on dinner. For dinner tonight, I will be making some fish, potatoes, and as well as have broccoli on the side. So I'm gonna share with you everything that I do and then share with you the finished food, of course. But it does take a little bit to prep, so I wanted to get on it now so that I am eating at a good dinner time, because typically what I've been doing is cutting off eating by about, I'd say 7 p.m. is when I tend to stop eating and just have like a tea at night and go to bed. And I just feel so much better when I stop earlier, because when I'm eating and snacking all night, I just do not feel good and I wake up bloated. I typically like to eat dinner around 5:36, so that is what I do usually on a typical night. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping the dinner. I'm beginning first with the potatoes. So these are the ones I've been using. These are just the little potatoes. I picked this up from Costco, and this is really great to add into your meals for dinner. So I'm gonna start off by washing these and cutting them all up, throwing it into a bowl, and I'll share with you how I spice them. To spice the potatoes, it's super simple. When I kind of want to do it quick, I usually just spice with some garlic, and also I put on this Greek spices. So I'm going to go ahead, put this on, mix it all together, and then put it on a pan and throw it into the oven. ahead and put it onto a sheet pan. So I'm just going to go throw it into the oven. I set the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna throw this in for 45 minutes. I went ahead and spiced my fish, so all I used was just some garlic powder as well as some paprika, ground pepper, and sea salt. And before that, of course, I just drizzled on some olive oil. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this in for 20 to 25 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is how the dinner turned out. So this is the fish. I have my roasted potatoes and broccoli, and I also went ahead and cut up a lemon so I can squeeze it on top of my broccoli and fish. So this is going to be my last meal for the night. For a quick little snack, I'm just gonna have this Quaker crispy minis. I'm obsessed with these. There's so many different flavors. I love the everything flavor, and lately I've been obsessed with the tomato and basil flavor. So I'm probably just gonna have 2 of these brown rice cakes. If you're a chip person like me, I love to have this. It just satisfies me and it tastes super delicious. They even have sweet flavors that you can also put things on. You could put like Greek yogurt on, or the everything bagel is really great to even put avocado on, but for this flavor in particular, I like to just have it on its own. It's super flavorful. It's a great little savory kind of snack. I'm gonna end off the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you liked it. I love making these videos and bringing you guys along my day. I will link other ones down below, as well as my fitness and health playlist if you want to see more. Thank you so much for the support. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do post every single week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!